Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a nice and easy braid out style with a little bit of style options. So if you want to see how I did this, be sure to stay tuned. So if you notice here, you see I'm currently wearing my Pop Smoke Inspired braids. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. It'll be a link in the description box or a card in the top right corner that you can click on and check that out. So then you can do this style that I'm about to show you here. So I'm going to begin by pulling my hair back, getting ready to take out the first braid. And I got really excited when I saw the definition. I was like, this is going to turn out really well. Then I went in with my little spray bottle to wet the hair. Then I'll go in with my Cantu Coconut Oil Shine and Hold. This spray is good if you're doing braid outs to help maintain a style, and it's also very moisturizing. And then I follow up with my olive oil to seal in all that new added moisture. I'm going with a little bit of edge control to lay down the edges because we're going to braid the front again. And then I like to go in with my styling foam, and this helps add more slip to the hair so my hairs won't get as tangled as I'm pulling rolling. And I love refreshing old braids and making them cool braid out styles, and this is a way that I can, wear my hair for another 4 or 5 days and put off wash day as long as I can and still be out here cute and killing it. Then I go ahead and detangle the ends so I can make sure that the bottom of my braid is nice, sleek, and no tangles. Then I like to put a little styling foam on the ends of my hair just to set my curls a little. And then boom, the other side is done already, and I braid it the same way and use the same products to complete the other braid. And then I began taking down the remainder of the braid so I can do the braid out style. And I'm also being mindful to be gentle with the braid so I won't create a lot of frizz during this process. And if you like what you see and you want to see more of it, don't forget to hit the logo in the bottom right corner to subscribe, or visit my description box and hit the subscribe link. And if you want to be notified of when I drop a new video, be sure to hit the little notification bell so you can stay informed of what's going on. And y'all, I forgot an entire braid. And these are the looks. Hey y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me some likes, leave me some comments down below, let me know what you think. Please subscribe, and until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.